Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Pexels for free branding images, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Pexels website. In the top right corner, look for the sign up button and click it. You will see options to sign up using your email or social media accounts. If you prefer using your email, enter your email address in the required field. Next, create a strong password that meets the specified criteria. After that, click the Sign Up button to proceed. If you choose to sign up using a social media account, click the appropriate icon. Follow the prompts to authorize Pexels to access your account information. Once registered, you will receive a confirmation email. Check your inbox and click on the verification link provided in the email. After verifying your email, return to the Pexels website and log in with your credentials. You are now ready to explore and download free branding images. Use the search bar to find specific images that suit your needs. Browse through the various categories available to discover more options. When you find an image you like, click on it to view details. Click the free download button to save the image to your device. Choose the preferred image size if prompted, then confirm the download. Now you have registered with Pexels and downloaded your first branding image. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.